To install Chrome Beta in Google search, you can type in Chrome Beta download, and then you can go to the Google website which says try new features with Chrome Beta. Go to the official website, and here you can see download Chrome Beta for Mac OS 12 or later. So click on download and then allow, and let the download complete. Now you can click on this file, and then you can drag this Google Chrome Beta to application folder. And then you can open application, and here you can see it's let the process complete. And now here you can see Google Chrome Beta. Make a double click, verifying Google Chrome Beta. Open. If you want to make it default, you can make it default. If you want to uncheck, you can uncheck this box. Yeah, so this is how you can download, install and use Chrome Beta on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.